Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed and today's tutorial is about how to wrap the text in a particular shape using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, take a text tool and add the desired text. Resize the text with the help of the selection tool. Select the text and go to the Object menu. From there, select Envelope Distort and click the Make with Wrap option. A pop-up has appeared. We can see here we have some predefined shapes. We can go through all of it. I'm selecting the Fish Wrap option. We can select the Bend option either horizontal or vertical and can use the slider to adjust it. The next option here is distortion. Using the horizontal slider, it could be moved left or right. That means the effect is more intense in left or right. Same goes for the vertical axis, but it is moving top or bottom. Now, let's see how we can wrap text over our own custom shape. I am selecting the ellipse tool. To draw a perfect circle, hold Shift plus Alt and drag it. Here I am lowering the opacity so I can see the text below it. Now, select them both and align them horizontally and vertically center. Move the shape object to the front by right-clicking and choosing Bring to Front option from Arrange. Again, select both objects, go to the object and select Envelope Distort. This time, click the Make with Top Object option. Note the shortcut for it so you can do it much easier next time. And ta-da! We are done. Once you're done with it, expand the shape. Now you can select and edit it individually. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!